All right, everybody, moment of truth. Let's get this opened up so you guys can see what it is. I am thinking that it's the white play. That's what I'm thinking. Could be wrong. Could be something totally different, but we're gonna open it up and see. So every time I'm unboxing something, everybody's always like, "Oh my God, cut away from you," I don't know. I haven't cut myself yet, knock on wood, but let's get this open. Oh, what I tell y'all? What did I tell y'all? I thought it was this, and I'm glad it was, because this is nice. There it is, y'all.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Today we are unboxing the long-awaited Stormtrooper Panda, the Coco, whatever you want to call it, colorway rendition of the play clipper, and that is going to be the all-white ski. Look like we going skiing. You got all that snow right there. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this bad boy, let you guys see what it is. No different than the other play. If you guys have used that clipper, this is a different colorway. So that's the original play clipper with the black. Actually, let me show you the original you see online is going to be with the green rubber grip there. So that is original. And then yeah, so let's get into this box and let you guys see what we got, and hopefully use it behind the chair today. So got the Tpob Play, the Pro Edition. Well, not Pro Edition. We got the Tpob Play, powered by Acme, 5 hours of runtime, Exo Play blade, dual speed motor. On the side, you got the iconic artwork, as you can see there. Play on the back, more artwork, and then Tpob Pro on the bottom. This is a magnetic flip top, so a little flip top right there. Gonna go ahead and flip this bad boy up. More artwork, as you can see there. I think that's the man himself right there. But we got a inside the box, we got a user manual, of course, that nobody uses ever. I don't think anybody has ever reverted to that thing, but it's there if you need it. Next we got half through a 4 guard, I believe it was. Let's take this out just to see. Yep, 1.5, 1 guard. I'm saying this all wrong. All right, we got a half guard, 1 guard, 1.5 up to your 4 guard. And then we have the, I'm lying to y'all. Why am I lying to y'all? No, I'm not lying. I'm not lying. All right, half guard through your 4 guard. Then you got your charging dock there. White, you could interchange the plate with a different colored plate. There's a lot of different accessories you could buy for the plate on Amazon. Go check that out. Then last but not least, let me put these guards back in here. We have the clipper, of course. Let's unveil that bad boy right there. Here is the clipper. That thing looking super nice, super sleek. Look at that, all white. I like the click lever it's got on there. Got a 5D10 click lever system, as you can see. You have a 2-speed clipper. The bottom speed is going to be sitting at 6,000. The top speed is going to be sitting at about 7,500. You have the Tpob Exo Play blade on there. You got the play information on the back, rubber grip. You have a tuck away handle right there, little hanging hook that you could put if you like that type of thing, or you could just put it back in there. So there it is right there. This is a super sleek tool to have, but we're going to put it to work behind the chair, let you guys see how it operates. I know you guys have seen the other play before, but this is just a different colorway. But I'm still going to showcase it on a haircut so you guys can see what we're working with. But other than that, let's see what else we got inside of the box. So like I said, you have your guards, you have your half guard through your 4 guard, and then underneath that you have a charging cord, of course. You have a 0 gapping tool that you have there. You got a screwdriver, you have a cleaning brush, and yeah, so that's what comes inside the box, other than the clipper and the actual guard. So let's get this clipper to use. Let's use it behind the chair. Let's do a haircut with it. Let's see how it eats through bulk, how it fades, and all that good stuff. But yeah, let's get to it. There it is. Now, before we get to the showcasing part, I totally forgot to show you guys the back here. You got a diagram right here. You got the Exo Play with oil reservoirs, interchangeable rubber logos, 5-click stretch lever, 2-speed, Switch, battery, LED, green on is high, red on is low, red flash is empty, interchangeable rubber grips. Tpob plate is equipped with constant torque technology, which senses blade resistance and revs up the motor speed, so the clipper will never drag or stall. Patented Acme motor with 2-speed settings from 6,000 to 7,500 RPM. Ergonomic slim design with rubber grip and thumb indent makes play the most comfortable machine on the market. Quietest motor in the industry at only 58 decibels. 5 hours of runtime, 3 hours of charge produces more than 5 hours battery life. 5-clicking stretch lever arm opens up to a true #1, equipped with the new Exo Play Fusion blade with all reservoirs to keep blade cool, smooth for much longer. But another thing I was just looking at on my station is this is the combo right here. This is the dynamic duo. This is Michael Jordan and Scottie Pippen. This is the go-to duo right here. So this is probably what we're going to work with today. All right, y'all know when using these clippers, I did enjoy the ergonomics of the clipper. I like the rubber grip, the rubber handle that it comes with. It's not too rubbery where hair and debris sticks to it. It's got a nice sleekness to it. Also, I do like the fact that it does have a stretch bracket, allows you to fade without having to use a lot of guards. You can kind of skip guards with the system. Speaking of guards, the ones I'm using in this video are going to be the single magnetic Tpob guards. It does fit multiple different type of brand of guards if that's something that you prefer. My coworker is going to be doing a demo of these in a future snippet in this video, and he does use the wall guards personally, so it does fit those. But overall, I have no quarrels, no problems with this clipper. I'll let you guys get his perspective here in a bit, so y'all stay tuned for that. All right, y'all, so y'all just seeing how the play works for myself. I did a little fade work right there, but we're going to give the clipper to my boy Davey, and we're going to see what he thinks about it, so we can get a second opinion about how they operate. Now, I'm going to show you guys what he's working with. I'm going to show y'all his arsenal over here so you guys can see that it ain't Tpob heavy over here. So let's look at what he's working with. We got a Stylecraft blow dryer. We got a Babyliss full shaver. We got an Andis trimmer. We got the JRL. We got a Babyliss trimmer and a Phillips, and then he's got the Tpob Troll, the J Blends edition. He's supporting, but let's see what he has to say after he uses the clippers.
Hands down, the greatest clippers I've ever used. I'm not just saying that because my boy is Tpob. Obviously, you guys see JRL is all I use, but I try not to buy clippers because they are so expensive. I've actually been waiting for these to come out. I placed my order, so I'm waiting for them to come in. I'm going to just be all Tpob going forward. Very light, very versatile, kind of chew through bulk like nothing. Nico doesn't zero gap his clippers. I like them a little more zero gap, but other than that, probably the quietest clippers I've ever used as well. So go copy some.
All right, y'all. So you guys seen another take on the clipper besides myself. Like I said, y'all seen he's working with a lot of different tools other than Tpob, so that should give you guys some insight on how these are operating as opposed to somebody who's just sponsored. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to buy this clipper, you can go to Amazon.com and purchase it, or thepissedoffbarber.com. It's totally up to you, your prerogative. But if you do use thepissedoffbarber.com, use code JBlends to save yourself 15% off. I got links below in the description box where you can find all tools on Amazon, and also a link to thepissedoffbarber.com. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, God bless.